Disaster Recovery as a Service, DRaaS, with VMware Cloud is a robust, scalable, and cost-effective solution designed to protect critical applications and data from system failures, cyber attacks, and natural disasters. Traditional disaster recovery solutions often require complex infrastructure, high costs, and manual recovery processes, making it challenging for organizations to ensure business continuity with minimal downtime. VMware Cloud DRaaS revolutionizes disaster recovery by offering a fully managed cloud-based solution that simplifies failover, minimizes data loss, and accelerates recovery across hybrid and multi-cloud environments. VMware Cloud DRaaS provides on-demand disaster recovery by leveraging VMware Cloud on AWS, vSphere Replication, and VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery, VCDR. This cloud-based DR solution enables continuous data replication, automated failover, and seamless failback, ensuring that businesses can recover workloads quickly without maintaining costly secondary data centers. Unlike traditional backup systems that require manual intervention and extended recovery times, DRaaS with VMware Cloud ensures that organizations achieve low recovery time objectives (RTOs) and near zero recovery point objectives (RPOs) by allowing instant failover to VMware Cloud on AWS in case of an outage. VMware Cloud DRaaS follows a three-phase approach: replication, failover, and failback. In the replication phase, vSphere Replication allows businesses to continuously or periodically replicate workloads from their on-premises data center to VMware Cloud on AWS or a secondary cloud region. The immutable cloud storage ensures ransomware protection and long-term retention for point-in-time recovery. During failover, VMware Cloud DR Orchestrator automatically triggers failover workflows, instantly powering on virtual machines in the cloud. IT teams can configure customized recovery plans to ensure that mission-critical applications recover first, followed by lower-priority workloads. Finally, in the failback phase, businesses can seamlessly return workloads to their primary infrastructure without data loss, synchronizing changes that occurred during failover. Key features and benefits of VMware Cloud DRaaS include lower costs and reduced complexity by eliminating the need for dedicated disaster recovery sites, ransomware protection through immutable storage and encrypted replication, and automated DR testing for compliance with regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. Additionally, VMware Cloud DRaaS provides fast failover with near-zero downtime, multi-cloud flexibility, and seamless integration with AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and private clouds. Common use cases for VMware Cloud DRaaS include ensuring business continuity for enterprises, protecting against ransomware threats, enabling cost-effective disaster recovery for remote offices, and providing multi-site workload protection. Businesses also benefit from on-demand disaster recovery testing, allowing them to validate DR plans without impacting production environments. Disaster Recovery as a Service with VMware Cloud is a game-changer for modern enterprises, providing automated, cost-efficient, and reliable disaster recovery capabilities. By leveraging cloud-based failover orchestration, continuous data replication, and AI-driven analytics, VMware Cloud DRaaS ensures business continuity with minimal operational overhead. Whether businesses need to protect mission-critical applications, recover from cyber attacks, or maintain compliance with industry regulations, VMware Cloud DRaaS provides a scalable, secure, and highly efficient disaster recovery strategy. In the next lesson, we will explore configuring backup and replication. Let's continue.